In a quiet town near a green forest lived a colorful parrot named Sunny. Sunny had bright green feathers, a red beak, and sharp eyes. He was special because he could talk clearly like humans. He did not only repeat words, but understood them too.
Hello there, friend! Isn't this forest just magnificent today? So full of life!
Sunny lived with an old, kind man named Mr. Harris. Mr. Harris was lonely because his family lived far away. Sunny was his best friend. Every morning, Sunny sat near the window and said,
"Good morning. Have a happy day." "Oh, Sunny, you always know how to brighten my mornings."
Sunny learned words by listening carefully. Mr. Harris spoke politely, so Sunny learned kind words like please, thank you, and sorry. Soon, Sunny became very friendly and gentle. One day, a young boy named Tom visited Mr. Harris. When Tom entered the house, Sunny said,
"Hello.
Hello! Nice to meet you!
This parrot can really talk."
From that day, Tom visited often. He talked with Sunny and taught him new words and songs. Soon, people in the town heard about the talking parrot. They came to see him, and Sunny greeted everyone kindly. He made people laugh and feel happy. But not everyone was good. A greedy man named Victor wanted to sell Sunny for money. One night, Victor secretly took Sunny away and locked him in a cage at his shop. Sunny felt scared but stayed calm. That night, Sunny spoke to a cat nearby.
Please help me! I want to go home!
The cat was surprised by his polite words and opened the cage. Sunny flew away quickly, following the moonlight back home. In the morning, Mr. Harris was very sad, but suddenly he heard, "Good morning." "Sunny!" Mr. Harris cried with joy and hugged him gently. After that, Sunny became famous for spreading kind words and good lessons. He visited schools and hospitals with Tom. He taught people that kindness and honesty are very important. Sunny lived happily with Mr. Harris, talking, singing, and spreading joy every day.
Did you enjoy our story?
Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.